Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Into this lesson I'll be showing you how to create this transparent text on Mercy here. Yes, I'll be teaching you how to create this transparent text. You can see we can move it around and still see the transparent text. So without any further ado, let's start. So we begin by creating a duplicate of the layer by holding it and dragging it to the plus button here to create a layer. Now come to the selection tool here and select quick selection tool and select the subject. Now that the subject is selected, what we'll do next is come down here and create a layer mask. So we hit on the button here to create a layer mask. Now a layer mask is created. Let's come to the text tool here and put in text. So we'll put in our text, which is good, the greatest of all time. I believe Messi is the greatest of all time in football, so I hit OK. Now let's hit on Ctrl plus T to select the text and expand it. So we expand the text and move it to the body. Let's expand it a little. So now the text is expanded. Hit OK here. Now duplicate it by holding on Ctrl plus J to duplicate the text. Right click the duplicate and select convert to shapes to shape. Now select your rectangle shape here and come to the fill button and cancel the white. Now come to the stroke and choose color white. Now what we'll do next is come to the stroke size and increase the size. Now the size is increased. What we'll do next, come here and select the text here and pull it down to the layer marks that we created here. So now you can see the text is transparent, but we are not done with it. Now come to it, select the tool by holding on Control and select the tool. Come to the link layers here, the bottom here, and hit on link layers. Now the layers has been linked together, so we can move it around, but select the move tool here, but make sure you hold on the text, not the body. Hold the text and you can move it around. You can move it around. So now this is how transparent text is created in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime we post a video you'll be notified. Thanks for watching and see you again in our next video. Bye bye.